rank of 223 in CLAT 2023. I was a classroom student of Career Launcher and my coaching played a very essential role in my success. The three important aspects where I believe Career Launcher helped me were mocks, analysis and GK. They provided me with a wide variety of mocks which helped me learn time management and make my own strategy for the exam. Secondly, they gave me personalized analyzed pages for all the mocks that I attempted, which would tell me about my overall rank, the areas where I lacked, the questions which I attempted wrong. Moreover, for every question, they didn't only tell me about the right option, but they would also focus on the other options and the reasons behind them, which I believe is very essential when you're attempting mocks. Lastly, they provided me with comprehensive and easy to use GK material, which saved me from the hassle of going to different sources in search of GK and current affairs. I want to thank Career Launcher for being a part of my journey and for helping me reach my dream college.